Good morning, fellas. We're gonna attempt to not kill ourselves in this here snow with these Crocs on, and it's not looking too promising. So we're in Aurora. We've got a D6 we're gonna unload in about, I don't know, an hour, and then we're gonna book our way up to Montana. We have 2 more D6s to get there, and I'm not sure what else we got after that. Truck's really dirty, and I need to clean the inside out. Yeah, I'm out here in short sleeves. Somebody asked me if I do it in shorts. I don't. Sometimes I drive in shorts, but I never load or unload in shorts, and I always wear work boots and pants when I'm loading or unloading. So we got our half and half iced tea from McDougal's, and I need to put y'all on the tripod, so hold on one second. All right, guys. I just like the cold. Until the wind's blowing about 60, then it's a little rough, but so much for a blanket there, bud. So this is the capital of asshole drivers. You got to be very careful here. Had a lady cut me off yesterday, and she just come by me like that and turned, just did everything she could so I could run her over. We give her the train horn. Most ladies love the train horn. She was a little pissed off about it. The 6s are easy, other than once you angle the blade, it sticks out, which I'd stick it out on the right side of the trailer to try and keep all the idiots off of it. And you're not really that wide, about 12.3 overall. And what the hell's this idiot doing behind me? Go around, you dumb fuck. We need to get over. See, he don't know what fucking lane he wants to be in, but neither do I, so we'll just make our own lane. Somebody asked about the Jake brake burning fuel. It burns no fuel. You're not really free spooling the engine, but you are running it against, it makes a compression I guess, to where you're going against the engine basically. It's almost like dynamic braking. So this is Smith Street. This is where we come whenever we deliver to Wagner Cat, which is not where we're delivering today. We're delivering right around the corner to Crossroads Pipeline. And that's where our 2 other D6s will be going. So those loads are confirmed, and that's about it, really. Need to order my Colorado permit, because for some reason it normally just auto issues, but here lately they've been wanting to review it every time, and I don't know if they'll be open on the weekend. They've been acting a little strange. We dropped the trailer last night and went to get something to eat, and then tried to get a shower. And of course, Pilot, you know, that they can't keep up with nothing. So there was 12 people in line to get a shower, and I just said piss on it. Drove back to where I parked the trailer and went this morning at 4 a.m. and got a shower. Got my fuel, filled up my DEF, and got us some McDonald's half and half iced tea, and now we're headed back to hook up the trailer and get unloaded once they open the gate. This is where you turn right here to come. This is Uravan Street. You're a van, I'm a van, we're all a van. And this is where you go to Wagner Cat, which you saw videos of that, where we unloaded the D8s. So I know for some of you super heavy transporters, this ain't shit for snow, but for us Florida guys, you know, this is something else. We can't all be super heavy transporters. Some of us have to be rookies all of our life. Ain't that right? Ran. If you see coming up here, so where we're going to unload is right after we make this turn. As you can see right here, which is where we dropped the trailer and where we spent the night. Well, I did make a chaining down video, but I don't think I'm going to post it. I think be too much hate, too much hatred, too many people telling me I'm doing it wrong and this and that and the other, and how their daddy did it for 79 years and their daddy taught them and all of that good business. So I may publish it, I don't know. We'll just have to see. Yep. All right, guys, we're gonna get hooked up and we'll get you a video of us unloading this beast. I'll be back. Somebody asked about a chain over the blade. There's your solution, bud. I don't know how long the snow is going to last. Won't be getting a truck washed today, right? All right, let's go unload. Y'all see this? It won't even shut off. Now it's on delayed. Guess it's gonna sit here and try to regenerate. There's Joe Biden in there working for you. Well, boys, you see that fifth wheel right there? About 3 minutes after I pulled off here to park, he was doing the Bo and Luke Duke. Now you see old Boss Hog done pulled up there behind him. So he's in the northbound lane. He was going north and now he's facing backwards. So it's just a little hairy. All your Amazon packages are right up there in front of me. It's currently 20. Wind's getting it pretty good. We're in Slater. Since it, what you call it, just went by, snowplow, it might be getting a little better, but we're gonna wait it out a little bit. So, yeah, we're going to get 2 D6s, and then we got a Cat 336 to get all confirmed. And I'm getting cold. Let y'all see this here badass snowplow. I think I'm gonna get me a snowplow, big 389 Peterbilt, stretched out about 10 axles, where we can haul a lot of that poverty rock. Yeah, he just blew all kind of shit all over us. Anyway, somebody wants to bring me some jelly donuts and some iced tea. I'm at the truck parking area here on the side of I-25 North in Slater, Wyoming. You can see the sun getting down. Anyway, clean us out.